Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to log in Cash App on another device. So let's get started. So now here we are in our browser in the website of Cash App, which is cash.app. So you want to go here. So if you have already been using their mobile app and you want to log in another account, then you can just go into a browser right here, preferably on another device. And then from here, you can click here on login on the top right. And then from here, what you want to do is that you can just provide your phone number right here. So just provide that, or if you don't have the phone number right here, you prefer the email, click here on use email. And then just type out your email address right here. Then after that, it would send a code to your preferred method of logging in, either by email or phone number. And then after that, just enter the code right in there. So that is basically it on how you can log in Cash App on another device. So it's very straightforward. It's basically just using another device or maybe another browser, because they won't be synced. So that is what you can do. So if you only have one device, then you can just try using a browser aside from the app so that you can log in with another account. And that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.